Puru, Maido, all the chief guests here, my Bai, my Ik, uh, Bai, Ik, Pinu, Punu. I'm so happy to be here. Pini ne hem wanglo. They don't need Shillong si do. And then when I go to school, I'm the only phangcho. Pura classroom phangcho ni nuwe lo. And aleng alam tu tikhe. Hey, kaduk we cuma alam sikit jingki. And aleng alam tu tikhe. And ape putu thanthe. And lasan se. Angke phangcho nat lo, ne mat lo. Kaduk we tu cuma jepu jepi tu sop khasi lo nan, khasi. Angke it's lonely. Ame tham se mathan. Ne kodak se kiwang, kodak se hem, kodak se rong. Jadi, and then ne bai ne ikto, each gap is very big. Latum college damlo and ke ne telas lonti. So I was very lonely. And pini ek bijoy se ke call ko la phangcho gathering dulang ko. Ek Saturday ani te ne Delhi dampo. Tiket tu dulang. Tiket cancel tak? Cancel non po. Anke ne cingki lo anke tiket tu cancel lo. Monday ani dampo nunke. Okay. So hosake mesentik dakiman. Antum ki cinta. Very happy. And I believe ne ami tham sing matha di. Phangcho tumna very intelligent, very sharp. Langtha. Ne tum special kali day. So Assamese medium, Khasi medium, lason se. Ne bai to professor lo, and bai inu to wang unne dead lo, la the medical doctor lo, retired deputy director, wang unne lo. So I think Phangchos are very blessed. I really believe that phangchos are intelligent. I don't know whether you agree with me, because Punuta Thanlo, Assamese medium pen, and then he's a retired IAS officer. IAS officer kithe. Everybody is searching to be and becoming an IAS officer. Salute to you, Punu. And Baido also. Everybody is searching to be a DC. Right? So now we have our own Baido in DC. So proud, no? I'm so proud. God bless you for your hard work, for taking that seat, that position. We're so happy with you. And then, so you see, we all came from humble beginnings. Mo ek kithanason la paki dulan ahem kali na longli ahem ben. We climb up, we work hard, and we're here. So I'm an electronics engineer, and I work for ONGC. ONGC Arjuma Arjuje Arjulangudi. A gari, all these gari will not work if ONGC is not there. We are the ones who search for oil. La, yang tu hai. We go down 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers down, and we search for oil. Netuma company lo, la so kiri lo, yang tu. And so that's where I work, and so I'm so proud. I think I'm the only phangcho in ONGC. Okay? So thankful to God. And now we are sitting here. Everybody, nijor dangor kam kori pore yate buhi ase. Ita ami kon aise moi cancel tak ticket Delhi ticket moi cancel kori kine yate hise. Ki karne? Morong karne. Ne ik, ne bai, ne te, ne phu, ne phi, kuthak le do. La rong ta apran se pini ne kiwa. Okay, so we are here, we have struggled, we have walked, kahani ta arjulong lo, kadukwe ta lason kahani lo. But now, We want to lift you up. The Tuma family enjoy Siglang, Eliza Trust. And as of now, Pinipen, 150 poor children, apo lasan hai, aware, orphan children, we send them to school. School dama, we pay the school fees. So children are scattered in Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong. So we search for those children who don't have parents. Apo awelo. And ke school damo ne dedlo, school fee pi ne dedlo. We search for those children. When we search for those children, we say, let's go to school, we'll pay your school fees. So now that we are here, so we will contact more. And if you know somebody like that, we'll be very, very happy. Our family, my husband is here, my children, we are very, very passionate about education. Somehow, our people should go up. Somehow. School fee go to school. We pay the school fees, buy their uniforms, buy their books, go to school. Lanituma family have vision law. So we'll work with you together now. And one thing which gives very great joy, JNV school Arjuna Day, JNV school. So what we do, our family NGO, we go and give crash course coaching. 1 month, 2 months in the village around Hadi. Then we say class 5 Asumar. Class 5 Asumar, then register, and it took 1 month, 2 months, complete crash course how to appear that exam. As of today, we have 85 children who we have coached who have got admission in JNV. And then this is something that I want to do for all of our people. There we can call those children and give them crash course coaching. I tried in Karbi Anglong, I have not succeeded, uncle, because the reason is that our class 5 children do not have Aadhaar card away, birth certificate away, registration time, they cannot do. So this year, I hope I will get good contacts so that we can get those children, they need Aadhaar card nangi, and birth certificate nangi, and then you have to register in that JNV school. And once you register, Netuma team will come and give coaching. Exam kosonlo pilo, maths kosonlo, English kosonlo. We'll teach them. Because once they are in JNV school, bas, netung worry away. They are getting free education, free fooding, free lodging till class 12. And their eyes will be open. My daughter, who is a doctor, she says, the juniors who come from JNV are excellent. So after she said that line, I got caught. I said, I have to train our children to get admission in JNV. So every year, the crash course we used to do, Lempo, but I need contacts, coordinators. Please contact me, contact any of them, and I just need people who are willing to coordinate. Coordination naplo. Teacher ne tum people, and then story isi dulante. So in this village, I was talking to a coordinator. How many hours are you teaching? And he said, Auntie, children na they come at 3 o'clock. Pichong Lahadi, school tanglote and ke hem dam and anchu tanglote and ke wang la son la 2 gunta damlo. Pichong hem the dolo nati. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. No, the house is far. So ne thanglo la son bring all the children from their school straight to the coaching center. Coaching center from Piwangan. Ange kalchita, dukan pun thana. So we got one shop and hadapin natung puri order lo. Tela suma kedo direct school pen one, puri chu and get coaching from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. And we are so happy. Natung 33 coaching pilote, 25 success. So we are so happy, so happy. And this is something that I want to invite everyone to work with us. Because our family, starting from my father, my mother, is very, very passionate about education. Kardom, thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you, Ik, for calling me.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone. I thank you so much for this privilege that I could come and be here among all of you. As you all know, I will not say about all these. We are already late. You know the quality of a teacher. I am very strict. And how I start my life, I take tuition in the morning as well as in the afternoon. Daytime, I do my own work. When my brother had to go to Kurukshetra to study, he went to study, and he used to join in my coaching classes for my small children of class 2 and class 1. That is how we start. But I'm so thankful, grateful to my parents. My mother is illiterate. Eko lekhi po na jane, kolom lo po na jane, but she'll give us time. Amak time diye, keneka pohibo kani. She divides the work, both boys and girls. That is what they have trained us. So we follow that footsteps. And I had a dream that yes, I want to be a professor. I like. Why? Because it's very honest, very genuine, very passionate, and you have to deal with the different qualities of children, students from different backgrounds. Some rich, some poor, some from a good background, some, so to say, spoon-feeding children. No doubt, we have to struggle. I used to tell while teaching that, look, I am not going to teach you about the books. I want to teach you about things, how to take a spot decision, as well as how to explore, how to compete the global. Because you know something like I would like to say, Ajikali Amar global love, it is very, very small. Very, very small. Within a day, you can reach everywhere. It's not that I have to sit hours together and study and get that. No, you need to find out and compete with the world. And then when I was in class 9, I said, no, I want to be a professor because of that. So I'll be teaching my students. I got the professor, no doubt. I asked my sister, said she is the only one, phangcho. Until now, if you check in the internet regarding the veterinary profession, I am the only one. So I'm very thankful to my parents too. Then when we used to check also in the internet the profile of the professor, yes, I'm so thankful to my parents for the sacrifice that they have done for us. Then I would like to say also that I have guided about 12 master degree students, and one of them, a Karbi student coming from here, I had to, when I saw, I said, from where are you? From where did you come? Which is your village? You leave from the rest. With the box, with the luggage, everywhere. So I stopped my car and I said, please come, I'll drop you where you want to go. Because why? That love, affection, we want to bring them up. We want to help them. They are searching where to go, which hostel, how to get the admission. That is what we do. And that girl, she passed out. Even she did her master degree, but not in my subject. My subject is veterinary pathology. Then after that, look, my husband expired. Everyone knows that, of course. I am the only one, like I have only one son. Then I have to look after everything, manage everything. I'm very hardworking, no doubt. I'm very strict. No students will like because I'm very strict. Okay, I'm very strict at home to my students as well as to my son. But at least I'm so thankful that I want to know how this organization have been started. And when I asked and inquired, this is the 5th time. I miss it because actually I like to go, I like to attend, I like to be organized, associated with all our people. Because you know, as a sister, by Puetloa, Adu Awe, how our ladies' job is 24 hours, mind that. Why? Because you have to look the upbringing of the children, how your children boys and girls will be of the same quality. That is what I stand here to give an example, exemplary, like how we came from that background. And then also, I would like that all of you, all my small beautiful little children, they should have an aim what you want to be. We parents, we cannot do this, simply we support them. So once again, I thank you so much and so much for this beautiful even afternoon. Though we are very late, no doubt, but please accept my pardon for the hard work what you all have done. I know you have been taking year together to organize this. So President Secretary for arranging such a beautiful get together. Thank you.
Kasipili, phangcho no kong timrong mai cari pon mai pakai hai, pen pili ai, samai long nak cetang dun, district commissioner ini tu manggil ni kita tenai, ni rolap cupi lapan, apa ni hati silo, pakai hai, long kipak cupan nanglok, kado kawe pili ladak, nak cetang dun kita kedingi doan, XCM lebih kumap cupan nanglok atau cupan nanglok kado kabi kita kuding itu lapangan pata phangcho ano pun nalo akisa ngai ne apuro natum lapet arong pen alab dilong di pena cetang dun kote lapan injir nimali bom mali kado kabi phang Ningato kado pas video kado. Lapangan pada pinggir asal melok. Ini tuh phangcho pun. Aparmat. Piltia cataya lok. Rapa cataya lok. Nagi pun pisipu. Media apa ngaca tonton. Media kote la pinggir tu. Lasi phangja thai velo media pake. Ningarong. Ninga ceparang tu pangalo. Ateli tu ham. Disi barin lapangan kedua disi. Lam jumesan alam itu man phangcho tonta tingthu bunangji atuwang itu manange japon kuson si tingthu nangji ma kuson si kitali nangji ma alam itu ta duk pabe panse nona puakan dengkele alam itu ta metak kapoi asapa kile so la sili tonta ke chali dunaya alam itu nang laelo boi bunang ko kinang na panalang punta ke kimang bang tuwing nangji Bukan dalam legal seperti contoh akan tu ini asal sidu mata tu nampu. Itu mata tu rumah ke jo. Pelang cek apa berapa itu sih. Doktor keman uji engineer keman uji kupulo. Setapi alam itu kalau sopan lo. Bukan tetap kalau ni loki phangcho ta alam ni ta. Celo cubi hap cujor pensinon di sinang malo. Pudah dobor lang edisi lo member kecengsi lo karbu pergi kecengsi pen di sini ke mana ini tu manggil lo masalah itu lagi awal saya tu kilo pen lagi cari pen lo laparan dengkeli kali kapor i pen betang kapor i masih ini tu kado betang betang suma teman nonton setanang ko akimakin tu dengan ko aku lah non ini tu tak phangcho no terus tapi non keno kedo ini to konalo ini tonta bharatalo dilo segitu asih bharatalo dia pakai kacing hot alam ke ini tonta cerap ngampu masuk ke cerap dunji ke kupilo kumane ke doktor cepamanten ini to mati apa anong nam pakai dumilo non alam itu di sini alamat peta ko ada itu malong ini to mati apa anong nam dia dapat masalah itu iklan lo kumane ke engineer patsi lasolong ni lasopya kapan anong na pati dulu kato ka beta dakor si itu pati dulu doktor engineer nage dogo dakor si scientist nang dogo protente piltre dangalok pet bharata kitine ada sedang bantu maka mandun bonglo non aprang dun bonglo so ke paprang ji ke lake nang lini ini tu nos dulu asa ke mang bangin tuibing nang ji ini tu mak ke nesop nesop ke paklas ya phat ini tu mak dek ke paklas ya phat mangke aprang sikelu tu madeng mitang long sedolo nang nilong asin non jata ni ke deda long thang nak lem ten ni he makap chiklemo na hem te pakla chemo Nang hem nari chepeklang non nagrong nang klapo. Nagrong nang klapo tu kepada nirula pai tu nang tang asuna kasi. Ni hem ke klapo prote nirong nang klapo nirong nang klapo ni district nang klapo. Ni district nang klapo ni state nang klapo. Ni state lagi klapo ni nation all India se klapo pang aron tin tu josi metang arong chepeklang pai prote. Tapi ke chepeklang dia tinggi itu nosi dulu. Ni hem chepeklang si prote ke chepeklang ko malok. Pada naklam dah, pada naklam dah kali ni pak cek ponai. Nasi ni pada satu paprang ponon ini tu makai mangki cuncun dia jiawe nasi phangcho soda non ini tu ko anu be paprang dulu ansu sih paprang dulu harga ini tu pokoknya pu. Ihem ke apne cek apa si papor rai dah me terbatas kupula mak Januari pen ingat pen lipiwet. Debat agak kai hem ini tolong hem lo piri cipiwet. Amor petong si gotek proton tela telang hem ta dumelo. Ni kan sambela lo. Alam ditunda pokok pilih hem ki dopel la doktor engineer pala hai kisi nangamar gali. Alam ditunda langsung tak telang hem ki dopel. Kecuali hotel lupa pala sakit me upload milur hai. Milur atur pesan pala milur kalau puli pula ke puli tahu hang tu pula miluran iksang hai dunta nang cetam lu julong lu ang itu berkait di pasti langsung sini dunta poli itu nanti ni thang hem lingga lele ni musik kami dunta ji malah ramah tatera ni kusol sih selalu dunta ji malah body program ipomo dia kam baru kalian lu nang pula ke body program lu ti undong pa apa dah dulu pasti kita di helu bing bangun Meghalaya penang cetam tadu oh Guwahati penang cetam tadu Jurhat pen dadu konane luparai pen dadu viaskan pen lombe dadu salam ditun dadu pertama tanangji nasi bilia pelang lu ni pimpet akhirnya kita langsung si rubun tulenda angkat tu nasi kado beberapa ingat long ni yang kian epen ada malong nanti tu masa mi hijau nang hang petekan lo lapan nanti tu metang hem dasebet nanti tu arbu isi pinang sombo nanti tu pek pada kecil hong pinang sombo kecil hong itu mal kapan kecil mana kecil hong tek langsung ajak kong nang itu mana papurunan langsung kado kami pan pusat lima kelok pengkado patir sini nanti dari kalau kado